Alright, ready to spray slick sand on everything. I've turned half the garage into a makeshift spray booth. Here's the rack to hold the doors. The rack to hold the hood. That way I can just slide it on down and flip it right on over. Take the underside. And a rack to hold the trunk lid. Same concept. So yeah, both compressors fired up. Should be plenty of air. Everything's got plastic on it. Couple air inlets there and there. That's a sealed motor fan. And it seems to draw pretty good, so it's not optimal to have it up that high, but that's pretty much the best I can do. I figured I'd try it with the primer. If that doesn't work out, then I'll redesign and possibly have the garage door as the exit. But the weather's still not great, so this is the best I can do for now. I could prop the door up just a little bit, run fans down there. That would probably be better. But we'll see how this works.